Welcome to the Student Portfolio Practice page. Here you can track your students' performance across all practice, revision, and general fluency activities to date. At the top of the page, you can toggle between practice, assessment, and rewards. The overview shows how many questions the student has answered in total and how many answers were correct. This graph shows the students' results compared with the average class results. Data is collected from strategy practice questions. Students will only see their own results in the graph, not the class average. This graph shows the students' percentage of correct answers for each operation. Data is collected from strategy revision questions. These graphs show the students' percentage of correct answers for each content strand. Data is collected from general fluency questions. You can return to My Classroom at any time using the links in the navigation bar.